Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a bunny. Okay, let's get started. Let's start at the bottom of our paper, and I'm going to start with our bunny's head, and I'm going to draw a C shape. All right, now let's jump up to the top and we're going to draw the ears. So I'm going to start a little bit below the head and draw a curved line going up and a matching line coming back down. I'm going to use my eraser and get rid of this little line. Okay, and then on the inside, we're going to make that same shape for the inside of their ear. Okay. Now I'm going to start on the top of our bunny's head to draw the other ear, and we're going to draw a line going up, and it comes down, and this line is going to go behind our bunny's ear. All right, now let's work on our bunny's face. And I'm going to give mine a little triangle-shaped nose and a mouth and little oval-shaped eyes. And we could draw some whiskers. Now let's work on our bunny's body. So I'm going to start right here at the back of their head and draw a line going up, and it's going to curve around and back around like that. Okay, now to draw the back legs, we're going to make another C shape and connect it. Now to draw the front legs, we're going to go up here underneath our bunny's face and draw a little curved line around, and it's going to go across and up. And that will be the front leg, and this is the back leg. I'll give them a little pause. And then we can just connect these two lines to make a belly. Okay, last step, let's give our bunny a tail. Our bunny looks adorable. All right, I think it's time to color. Our drawing looks great. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.